Have you ever wondered why some people seem to handle stress better than others? Stress management is crucial for our physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. Interestingly, science may have found a key to this puzzle. The secret to better stress management may lie within us, in our very DNA and the amino acids that make up our proteins. Our DNA and amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, work together in a powerful synergy for stress management. So what exactly are they? Well, DNA is like an architect's blueprint for the body, guiding the construction of proteins, the body's building blocks. On the other hand, amino acids are the individual bricks that make up these proteins. Now consider stress as a storm, shaking up our body's structure. Certain proteins constructed from specific amino acids act like reinforcements, helping to stabilize and protect the body. They do this by regulating our stress responses, calming the nervous system, and even promoting brain health. Imagine if we could enhance these reinforcements. By understanding the instructions in our DNA, we can potentially optimize the assembly of these protein bricks. This allows for a more efficient response when the storm of stress hits. By understanding and harnessing this synergy of DNA and amino acids, we can open doors to improve stress management. So, what does this mean for stress management? Well, let's sum it all up. The synergy power of DNA and amino acids is a game changer. By delving into the mysteries of our genetic makeup, we're able to understand how our bodies naturally cope with stress. But that's just half the story. We then need to fuel our bodies with the right amino acids. These tiny building blocks of proteins play a crucial role in enhancing our body's stress response. They're like the supercharge button for our natural stress-busting mechanisms. So remember, understanding your DNA and feeding your body with the appropriate amino acids can potentially escalate your natural defense against stress. Harnessing the synergy power of DNA and amino acids could be the key to unlocking better stress management, leading to a healthier, happier life.